the latest update now from Jammu and Kashmir after reports of alleged abduction and forcible conversion of two Sikh girls in Jammu and Kashmir. Now there is a demand emerging that there should be anti-conversion law in Jammu and Kashmir as well, on the just the way it has been implemented in Uttar Pradesh and Madhya Pradesh. Listen to this reaction that we've got for you from an Akali Dal leader.
बेटी मनमीत कौर के साथ जिस तरह का हादसा हुआ, ये बहुत ही हमारे लिए, सबके लिए चिंता का विषय है, क्योंकि इससे पहले भी हमारी 3 बेटियों के साथ ऐसी घटना घट चुकी हैं। कल का विषय एक एज्ड आदमी जो है, हमारी एक बालिग बच्ची के साथ शादी करके और जबरन गन पॉइंट पे उसको ले जाया जाता है और उसकी शादी कर कोर्ट में पेश किया जाता है। माँ बाप बाहर खड़े हैं, पुलिस माँ बाप तक को पास नहीं आने देती। लेकिन जब हम लोगों यहाँ पे प्रोटेस्ट शुरू हुए, कोर्ट को रात को तक घेरे रखा, तो रात को 10:30 बजे पुलिस मजबूर हुई बच्चे को वापस करने को। लेकिन ये जो विषय है, ये एक दिन का नहीं है, ये रोज का विषय बनता जा रहा है। और कल लोगों के जो फोन दा कर रहे थे, यहाँ तक उनका कहना था कि हम इतने मजबूर हैं कि हम ये घाटी छोड़ने को मजबूर हो गए, जिस तरह के हमारे हालात बनाए जा रहे हैं। इसलिए आज हम यहाँ पे आए हैं। अभी गवर्नर साहब से भी मिलेंगे, हमने उनसे भी आग्रह किया है। हम केंद्र सरकार को भी आग्रह करते हैं कि जो इंटर रिलीजियस मैरिजेस हैं, उनके ऊपर जो कानून है उसको लागू किया जाए, ताकि इस तरह की घटनाओं के ऊपर रोक लगाई जा सके। ये किसी भी सूरत में बर्दाश्त नहीं किया जा सकता।
So that was Manjinder Singh Sirsa, Akali Dal Neta, talking about how there are in fact several incidents of forceful conversion of Sikh girls, and there should be in fact law, anti-conversion law in Jammu and Kashmir as well, just like there are similar laws in Madhya Pradesh as well as Uttar Pradesh. So that is another big story that we are tracking for you at this point in time, and there have been in fact several reports of alleged abduction and forcible conversion of girls in Jammu and Kashmir, of Sikh girls specifically in Jammu and Kashmir. Ishan joining us live at this point in time for more on this. Ishan, what more details can you share with us as far as the incidents are concerned that Manjinder Singh Sirsa was talking about?
Well, what we have heard from the Sikh groups in Kashmir is that they're alleging that it's a forced conversion, and same time Akali Dal has also swung into action. They have reached to Kashmir and have said that it's a deliberate attempt being made by these groups in Kashmir Valley. But at the same time, if the matter was in the court, and matter was in the court because they have married, they have done a court marriage, and that is when the family says that they were not taken into confidence while that was happening. And during that particular time, the family has protested now outside the Srinagar court and have appealed actually for the girl to be sent back to the parents. Now they are claiming also that girl is not mentally stable, but what we know so far is that the ban is aged and the girl has just turned 18 according to the family. And now seeing all that scenario, the girl's statement we believe was recorded, and that is when the entire controversy has erupted. Now we are being told that they have met yesterday, the J&K LG, and they have demanded that girl should be sent back to the family. Now we're seeing that they are demanding, now demand has increased now across the Kashmir Valley Sikh community, saying that they should be, this girl should be sent back, and that is why it becomes important for the communal harmony to exist in Kashmir Valley. They're blaming that there's a forced conversion going on of these girls, but one has to see that what further steps does the government take to ensure the security of this family and also the girl.
All right, thank you very much, Ishan, for the moment, for joining us with all of those details.